McLaren Automotive today reveals the McLaren Solus GT, the stunning realization of a concept car from the screens of virtual racing into an extreme expression of track driving engagement that will exhilarate in the real world. A special commission for just 25 customers, with all cars already sold at a single-seat, closed-cockpit track car was unveiled during Monterey Car Week. At less than 1,000 kilograms in weight and with aerodynamic performance including downforce in excess of 1,200 kilograms, the Solus GT is powered by a unique 5.2-liter V10, constructed using low-volume, machined components that revs to more than 10,000 revolutions per minute. The engine's responsiveness is enhanced by the use of barrel-driven throttles for each cylinder, a system only suitable for track application, and is entirely gear-driven, with no chains or belts for camshaft or ancillary systems. In addition to having power and torque outputs in excess respectively of 840 horsepower and 650 Nm, the engine was also chosen for its structural qualities. For the first time in a McLaren production car, the engine is an integral part of the chassis. Conventional practice in race car construction, this design approach optimizes weight reduction by negating the need for additional chassis structures or subframes behind the carbon fiber monocoque.